Pleasure to have you. Today I'll show you how to rename your fingerprints on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So simply go to settings, and under settings you want to scroll down and select password and security. Under password and security, select fingerprint. Then you'll be prompted to verify yourself. So enter your PIN, password or pattern. Now if you've added more than one fingerprint, then you might not know which one it is. So to rename, you simply want to tap on the fingerprint and select rename. My finger 1, tap on agree and continue. My finger 1 was my index, and my finger 2 was the thumb. And tap on save. That's basically how to rename. So this comes in handy when you want to delete fingerprints that you no longer want to use, or you had added someone else's fingerprints. That's how to that's how to rename a fingerprint on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.